Hello again, welcome to another video review, and today we're looking at this Renault Clio DCI dynamique DCI diesel, finished in the black metallic. Very smart looking little car, nice alloy wheels, all good tyres, all nice and clean inside. It's a low mileage car, plenty of room in the back of these actually for a small car as well. Got the minor scuffs and scratches a little bit on the wheel arch and the bumper there. Couple of little stone chips there. Decent sized boot, and underneath there the jack lives under there, and it's got a spare wheel that's underneath. There's a spare, you can wind that down. Very economical. Cheap to run with a low road tax as well. Just a tiny little dent there on the rear door. But overall, there's another one there on that door as well. So little parking trolley dent. Overall, good clean car for the age, with a nice low miles. Controls there, fit electric windows, electric door mirrors. Comes with 2 remote keys. Comes with cruise control. It's control from the steering wheel buttons here. So there's a useful feature. There you go, 46,000 miles. It's got the TomTom sat nav. Radio CD. It's also got the Bluetooth. I think you can connect your phone to it there as well. Bluetooth controls there. I think the air conditioning might need a regas. It's got a remote control there for the nav as well. 5-speed manual gearbox. Conventional handbrake. 12-volt socket. So cruise control master switch there. The book pack with it. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice little Clio, like I say, cheap to run, low insurance car, low road tax car, very good on fuel. There you go. Give me a shout on the usual number, or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.